Hello everyone, welcome to Spoken English class, Part 8 Greeting and Expressions. Greeting is nothing but a word or a phrase which is used to welcome someone. Greeting is an act of communication through which human beings intentionally make their presence known to each other. There is a difference between greeting and greetings. Greeting means to wish or to greet someone. Greetings means wishes which is given to someone. When you see a person, how will you start your conversation? All types of conversation always start with greeting. Hi, this is the most commonly used greeting. Some of the formal greetings are hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Next, let's see some of the common English greeting and expressions. How is it going? How are you doing? What's new? What's going on? How is everything? How are things? How is your day? When greeting particular persons like teachers, principal, elderly persons, and members of all formal groups, you should use formal words and language. That is, your greeting should be very polite, respectful, and considerate. If you follow this in all places towards everyone, it will definitely help you to improve your English. For informal greeting, you can follow your own style and your own rules. No restrictions for that. Greeting, it shows or it expresses our appreciation and love that one person has for others. We greet persons everywhere when you go for shopping, when you go out to eat, or when you attend a meeting, and in all situations you greet persons. This is one of the basic manners which has to be followed by everyone. If we take both the concepts together, greeting and expressions, it is very important in spoken English. It is very essential to greet someone with a smile. Smiling improves your health by reducing your stress. It boosts your immune system. It lowers your blood pressure and makes you to look younger always. Without expressions, greetings are valueless. Especially for the students, greeting brings positive growth. If students are greeted with positive message in the morning, it promotes a sense of belongingness, a good support, which makes them to feel invested in their learning. So what you should do everything in the morning? Greet everyone with a smiling face, with positive approach, which will give you a positive force for the whole day. You must have seen your teachers greeting the students loudly when they enter into the class with a smiling face. And the response what students give, from that we can understand that the mentality of the students. If you want to greet someone, what steps can be followed? If the person whom you want to greet is younger to you, greet him or her with name. If the person is elder, politely you can wish them. Make eye contact and maintain throughout your greeting. Use friendly non-verbal greeting such as handshake, high five or thumbs up. Give a few words of encouragement. Ask how their day is going. So, follow all this to impress others or to add meaning or flavor to your greeting. Greeting with expressions are the most important aspect in spoken English. Let's see a sample of common greetings. This is about everyday greeting. Hello, hi, hey, how do you do? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Good to see you. Good to see you too. How are you doing? What's up? Nothing much. How are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Take care. Have a great day. Same to you. Take it easy. Bye. So, take this as a sample and practice well with your expressions. If you want to be an effective personality, you should know the importance of greeting. Your greeting creates good impact on others as well as makes you professionally skilled in English. Thank you. Happy learning.